Yeah, I got a new package. What's in the box? Let's open it up and see. Oh.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
Oh, this thing is really taped up well. Oh yeah. All right. Packaging and oh, there's two things in here. Looks like there's a shirt and a package of something interesting. Oh. So I've got some cold brew coffee body bags. So I've never used these things before, so I'm not quite sure how they work. So this is going to be a little bit of a learning curve for me. Never tried these, don't have any idea how they work. So never have I ever made cold brew coffee. So we'll see what we can do with this. And oh yeah. Oh. All right, I got an awesome, super cool Dead Sled Coffee t-shirt. Oh, this looks very cool. Wow. And it's a long sleeve. Nice. This is really cool. I'm so happy. This is great. Thanks so much to Dead Sled Coffee. These are some fun things I'm gonna have to definitely do some experimentation with this cold brew, but the t-shirt I can already tell is gonna be great. So this is very exciting, very happy. This is, yeah, it's always great to get a nice surprise like this. So thanks so much.
Okay, I've never made cold brew iced coffee before, so let's see if I can accomplish this without making a big mess. Now, I'm really good at reading directions, and the instructions said simply take out one of these things that they call a body bag at Dead Sled Coffee and simply plop it into a pitcher and leave it to soak for 24 hours. Okay, this looks just like a tea bag, so I think I'm familiar with the concept. Should be pretty simple. Just dump it in here and let it soak. Now, it kind of wants to float a little bit, so I'm trying to soak the water in there, let it get pretty waterlogged so it'll seep down a little bit. So this is taking a bit more effort than I thought it would initially to really get the bag waterlogged enough to get into the pitcher here. So might need a little mafia style weight to get it in here.
Okay, this is steeped for 24 hours. So I've had iced coffee in the past and I always hated it, because it had all sorts of spices and sweeteners and all kinds of goop in there I didn't like. It was never plain. So I don't like sweet iced tea. I like unsweet iced tea. So maybe I'll like this iced coffee. I don't know. I've never liked cold coffee after it was hot, but this could be a totally different animal. So it's going to be my first taste of pure, unadulterated iced coffee, cold brew style. So let's see. Give it a little taste. Actually, I was thinking I was going to hate it. It actually tastes very nice, very smooth, and I hear it has even more caffeine, so I actually like it. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be more of the cold coffee flavor after it's been hot then cold. Completely different situation here. I'm pleasantly surprised. Way to go, Dead Sled Coffee. Yet another winner here. I didn't think I was going to at all be able to tolerate it, but it's actually good. I could certainly drink this just like iced tea, except the iced tea I put lemon in. I don't think I'd put lemon in this. I'll just drink it straight up, or maybe with a little adult beverage, whiskey. Yeah. What's in the box? Let's see. Oh yeah, we got some more awesome stuff from Dead Sled Coffee.
Got 2 stickers. Ooh. Oh. A little Tom Sand from Dusk Till Dawn. A smooth, dark roasted Rwandan and Colombian blend. Oh goodness. Oh, wait a minute. A Nightmare on Elm Street, Never Sleep Again. Okay, personally, to me, I might be more terrified of this than anything else. I've definitely had more nightmares about this movie than any other. Nightmare on Elm Street. Yeah, one night I watched every episode of the series of all the movies of Nightmare on Elm Street, and there might have been some nightmares multiple times that night. Might have been a little scared that night.
All right, we're gonna start with the Tom Savini From Dusk Till Dawn. I really love that movie. And here it goes. So it's got a nice dark color to it. Ooh, this is definitely a pretty looking coffee, and the aroma is fantastic. As usual with Dead Sled Coffees, it's in a really cool bag. There's lots of wonderful artwork on here, so it's really fun.
All right, I got the Tom Sand From Dusk Till Dawn coffee. This is a smooth, dark roasted Rwandan and Colombian blend. Let's give it a little taste here. It's got a little bold flavor, I'd say. Let's see, on their rating scale, this is all the way down to dark and bitter on the Italian scale, the exact opposite of the light scale right here. So this is quite a more bitter coffee. I would call it more flavor myself. So really good. So I tasted it black a little earlier. This is I got a tad little bit of milk on it. Overall, I'd say even with the milk in it, this has a lot of flavor. It's got a little bite even with the milk, just the way I like it. So yeah, this is pretty good. Oh yeah.
Next up, it's A Nightmare on Elm Street, Never Sleep Again. I'm a little scared, I gotta say. Ooh, keep that little claw thingy away from me. Whoa. So some great artwork, scary artwork. Now, beautiful color in this coffee, wonderful aroma again.
Little black coffee time. Let's taste it this way. Ooh. Oh yeah, smooth, nice. Here we go, A Nightmare on Elm Street coffee. Ooh, Never Sleep Again. So here we have a nice Vietnamese and Ugandan blend. And on the taste scale here, we're all the way down to the strongest level of their Italian dark and bitter scale. Let's give it a little taste here, and hopefully, ooh, we don't get any claw marks. All right, Freddy Krueger is not slicing me up. This is very nice and tasty. It's got some nice smoothness to it, actually. So I tasted it earlier, straight up black. It was very nice and pleasant. A little bit of milk on top, and the whole milk evens it out a little bit, but there's still some very nice, strong flavor coming out. So it's just like I like it. It's coffee flavored coffee. Yeah. A Nightmare on Elm Street, Never Sleep Again. I am a fan. I do like it. So, this is some good stuff. I am quite happy with this little blend here. Yum, yum, yum. Now, hopefully I will sleep again at some point. Otherwise, I might get a little grumpy.
Now, real quick, we got to do a special birthday shout out to cousin Steve from New Jersey. Happy birthday and Prost! Oh yeah. Now, to get back to our coffee topic at hand, we need to come up with our overall rating. So, I gotta say, to me, the coffee that I think I enjoyed the most that was in this batch
was our iced coffee, because I've never actually liked a cold brew iced coffee before, so I am blown away that I actually like it. So, hey, it's still hot weather in New Orleans. It's still in the upper 80s, close to 90 most of the time here. So, a little bit of cool, cold coffee actually is kind of nice these days. Now, after that, my next most favorite flavor of the coffees was the Savini From Dusk Till Dawn, which is also a pretty awesome movie. But I gotta say, there's some pretty darn tootin' fantastic flavors in this coffee. I really enjoyed the really strong flavor of that, ooh, that super bitter, strong coffee flavor. Oh, yeah. I mean, the scariest one, certainly, and not at all far behind on the taste thing, would be our Nightmare on Elm Street, Never Sleep Again roast. So, both of these were probably among the best of the Dead Sled coffees I've tried so far. And that cold brew definitely is the best cold brew period I've ever had. So again, all three fantastic coffees. So I do have a discount code right down here. NOLA for 20% off. Go check it out. NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.